In this video, we are setting up Rongrong's new custom planner, and this version is called Coffee Queen. She has 4 different selections of matte covers. This one is Coffee Queen. She also has Bookworm, Live in the Moment, and Planner Babe with coordinating dividers with tabs. And we're going to go ahead and set this one up along with some really cute purple metal discs. There are also some options to select your color of discs. And you also get to choose your planner layout. She has dashboard and vertical layouts to choose from. So you select your cover with the coordinating tabs, your discs, and a planner layout. All of the cover designs also have coordinating pet tapes or sticker books, so make sure you pick up your favorite collection of accessories while you order your planner. Since these are undated planner layouts, you might also want to pick up this sticker book that includes the dates, which you can use on the monthly or during the weeks in your planner. I went ahead and added in a few more stickers in some different places. I just like to kind of randomly add them in between the dates. And we have one more little coffee cup to put in here. Let's put these by Hello Winter. Okay, let's make sure we got all the stickers. I think we're good. We got all the little winter stickers in here. So let's pop this back in the planner. Make sure we're at the beginning of the month. Right here. Okay, there we go. We have our January all set up with some cute stickers. Let me trim this edge over here with the ones that are kind of like hanging off. I think they look pretty cool like that. All right, so there's our January. And then we have our dashboard space, and then our first week of January starting Wednesday the 1st. And we'll have a whole new spread for that and the rest of the year. I just want to flip through these tabs one more time because they're so pretty. I love the decor like designs on the back like that. Love that. Houndstooth, plaid, love it. And then this section is pink. Love. This plaid, love. Pink roses, love. And the pink cafe. So cute. Thank you so much for joining me as we set up my Rongrong planner for 2025. Leave a comment down below and let me know which design you're selecting and how you're using your planner for 2025. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!